Okay, what we have here tonight is I've got a ramps board wired up with jumpers to a 25 pin up to a my CNC controller, and what I'm doing is testing out the axes. Like here's a Z. You can see the Z's going. I got to do something about the speed. It's really slow. Well, there you can see the Z motor spinning. Here's the Y. Haven't checked to see if my motors are going the right direction yet. Also, I need pull-up resistors or something because I get a little bit of noise every now and then on some of the other axes. But the real problem happens in my X. It just makes stuttering noises, but there's a way I can fix that. If I could find a way to activate the axis, the camera, and everything at once. The problem is there's a bad connection right in here on the stepper motor. It's a little blurry. Right where the cable goes into the stepper motor. And if I put pressure on there, and you can actually hear it kick. If I put pressure on there and hit the X-axis at the same time, I'm going to try to do that with my foot. Well, here it goes smoothly. It's now moving smoothly. When I left off of it, it stutters. So it's a bad connection inside the stepper motor. But anyways, there I am demonstrating running a 3D printer with my controller originally designed for a CNC machine.